Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 15th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Champions Oncology, a leader in translational oncology research. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Champions Oncology has just released their Q1 FY2026 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic leadership changes.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Champions Oncology reported a total revenue of $14 million for the first quarter of fiscal 2026. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
While the revenue of $14 million is slightly down from $14.1 million in the same quarter last year, it's important to note that the company has achieved solid sequential growth. The adjusted EBITDA stands at $60,000, which, although lower than last year's $2 million, still provides a foundation for future growth.
And what about their profitability metrics?
The company reported a net loss of $466,000, a significant shift from a net income of $1.3 million last year. The gross margin also decreased to 43% from 50%, primarily due to higher outsourced lab services costs. However, they plan to bring these services in-house, which should improve margins in the future.
Strategic initiatives and leadership. Champions Oncology has appointed Rob Brainin as the new CEO. What does this mean for the company's strategic direction?
Rob Brainin's appointment marks a pivotal moment for Champions. He aims to strengthen their core services while scaling their emerging data platform. This dual focus is expected to deepen their scientific impact and create long-term value for shareholders.
How are they planning to achieve this?
They're investing in R&D and sales to support their data license business. The increased R&D expenses reflect their commitment to developing their data platform, which has already gained traction with biopharma partners.
Financial health and future outlook. Financial health is crucial for any company. How does Champions Oncology fare in this regard?
Champions ended the quarter with $10.3 million in cash and no debt, which provides them with significant financial flexibility. They generated $600,000 in net cash from operations, indicating a strong operational cash flow despite the net loss.
What can we expect from them moving forward?
Looking ahead, Champions is focused on margin improvement and top-line expansion. By migrating outsourced lab services in-house, they anticipate a reduction in costs and an improvement in gross margins, which should bolster their financial performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Champions Oncology has had a challenging quarter with a slight dip in revenue and a net loss. However, their strategic initiatives and strong cash position provide a solid foundation for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Despite the current challenges, Champions' focus on data platform growth and operational efficiencies positions them well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on their margin improvements and strategic investments.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Champions Oncology's performance in the comments below.